and look up and then just place it in. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, we are going to be doing the highly requested even though it's like 2 or 3 people that requested it, but it's highly requested to me, and I'm going to be teaching you how I put on contacts. So you can clearly see that I have contacts on this eye, right, and this eye doesn't have contacts. So I was about to pop in the second one before doing my tutorial, and I'm like, okay, let me just show you guys how I do it. So basically I'm going to try and make this as easy as I can, but please always know that practice makes perfect. I cannot stress this enough. Practice makes perfect. Like, trust me, when I started fixing contacts about a year ago or 2 years ago, it was war. So I'm going to be showing you guys basically stuff I use. Trust me, there are so many ways of fixing contacts. If you like to see how to fix contacts, please keep on watching, guys. To start off, I'm going to be showing you the basic contact lens kit. And up until last year, I didn't know that you're meant to throw out your contacts every 6 months. First of all, check the pack of your contacts. I don't have a brand new contacts here to show you. Make sure you check it out because hygiene is very important. This thing is going into your eye, so even before I start to show you how to fix your contacts, you can get terrible infections if you don't take care of your eyes and the contact lens kit itself. Wash your hands, make sure you have the sterile water, which I'll show you guys, and also just ensure that you have a clean environment because hello, it's only 2 eyes that we have. Like every other one is fake. It's only 2 we have. Do you understand? So, and we're supposed to go through life with it, so be careful. Second thing I'll say is make sure that you know when your contact lens is expiring as well. You know when you start to feel like your contact lens is itching you and it's not just comfortable on your eye, it's time to throw away that bad boy, because what I'll say, it's going to cause corneal abrasion and it's like scratching your corner of your eyes, and with time that issue is going to escalate and cause even more problems for you. So the moment you start to feel like there's another inhabitant in your eyes with your contacts, please remove it and throw it out. Buy another one if you so love the color. Like this color is so natural. I have like 3 sets of these. And the third thing I'm going to say, do not share your contacts. No matter how much you love your friend, your brother, your sister, your twin sister, your child, do not share your contacts. It's for your eyes only. Don't let anybody not beg you. Don't share your contact because you stand a high risk of sharing that person's problems. If they have an infection, you share it, and there will definitely be a transfer of infection. Even if it's not something serious, something as little as a minor infection, making your eyes to be very red, making you to have to buy eye drops and all of that, to even more severe cases. So please don't share your contacts. I think those are the 3 steps that would be necessary in fixing contacts. To start off, you would need your saline water. So many brands have saline water, and I personally have so many brands that I use. So the one I have is from Flawless IV, and this is what it looks like. Basically, this is going to help ensure that your contact lens is kept sterile, which you want. You don't want your contact lens to be contaminated in any way. So when you remove your contact lens and put it into the container, always replace this water like at least before and after every use, at least. Do you understand? So you go through this a lot. You also need to have an eye drop on hand so that in case you have very sensitive eyes that turns red, you just go ahead and pop that eye drop in and it reduces the redness, which I don't have right now because I don't get so red. I just have it somewhere, not here to show you guys, but have that in mind in case you have really sensitive eyes. Also, of course, you'll be needing your contacts. So the contacts I have today are from TTDI. Hopefully focus it for you guys. And I'm going to put shapes as to what I'm saying, but then you want your contacts to be in like a bowl form. My lens may not be able to pick up what I want to show you guys to explain that, but I'm going to try to show you guys anyway. But make sure your lens is not turned inside out. So basically, you want your lens, the edges of your lens to be like a bowl, just rounded in. Once it's starting to bend this way, it's inside out. And trust me, that thing will hurt so bad if you put it on your eyes and it's bending over top like this. So you want to take that into consideration. I want to show you what like a basic lens pack comes like. So it looks somewhat like this. You're just going to basically have like your contact lens container, and this is stuff is for picking the contact lens out of the container, and this is your container. Some other kits come with an actual stuff you can use to put the contact into your eyes. We're going to get into actually fixing the contact into our eyes. So the first step is just to calm down. Trust me, when your eye sees something coming, first reaction is panic mode. Something is entering, let's close our eye and protect our eyeball from danger. So you have to tell yourself to calm down. I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of the container. So I'm just going to use this. Please focus on this. I'm just going to use that to take it out. So I'll take it out and then I'll put it on my my thumb. Focus please, not my thumb, my index finger. So you can see how it is. I hope you can see that, Sha. So I think this is a better shot. You can see how it looks like a bowl, like so. So this is what you want. It took me a while to learn how to fix with long nails because I'm always having long nails nowadays, but short nails will be easier for you. Once again, practice is your friend. Trust me. Like, if they told me I'll be sitting down here doing tutorial on how to fix contact lens a few years ago, I would have said, nah, you're lying. But here we are. So I tried coming in closer for you guys. So this is the contacts in my hand. What I like to do, or what I learned to do, is to use these two fingers kind of support my eyes to open, because they will not stay open on their own, and you actually need a mirror like close by to you, like anywhere. Just place a mirror close by to you. So I'll take my contact lens, making sure it's in that bowl form. Don't make sure the edges are not bent out. I'll try to see pictures if I can find pictures online and insert it so you know what I'm talking about. But then, you know, I'll just take it, and then it's always on this index finger, and make sure it's just sitting on top of your finger. You can see the way it's kind of sitting on my finger and not, you know, laying very flat. I'm just going to go ahead and pinch my eyes open and look up, and then just place it in. If it's properly hydrated, your eyes will pick it up. So I'm just going to bat my eyes a few times to kind of make it stay well. Just give your eyes a few slight rubs. I'm using my ring finger because that is the finger that will give me the lightest pressure. Just to make sure it stays. Of course, your eye is going to get a bit red and a bit watery. A few tears might drop, but that's fine. It's okay. That's it for the tutorial, guys. I hope my tips helped you, and if you try to fix your contacts, do let me know. Contact lenses are relatively cheap nowadays. Just try to get a good one that won't affect your eyes, you know. And if you try out my tips and anything I teach in this video, try to let me know how it goes for you. It will mean so much to me to know that someone actually conquered fixing contact lenses because of my tutorial. So please don't hesitate to let me know, either here or on Instagram. You know, just leave me a comment or a message. I would love to know. Try to practice. Don't be afraid. Conquer it, you know, attack it head on, conquer it. You're a warrior. But just be gentle in all. Take care of your eyes. They're very precious, you know. The gift of sight is just an amazing gift, which all of us that have it shouldn't take it for granted. So once again, very important, be careful with your eyes. You know, take all the tips I've taught in this video and use it to your advantage. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It will mean so much to me. Help this family grow. Tell 1 or 2 friends about me, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.